Okay, we're going to do one more problem where we're finding the area between two curves. This says find the area of the region enclosed by y equals 4 minus x squared, y equals negative x plus 2, x equals negative 2, and x equals 2. So first we're going to start by drawing our region. So in green I'll do 4 minus x squared, so that has a y-intercept of 4. It's going like this. Okay, and then in blue, I'll do negative x plus 2. Which is this line right there. And then we want to go between x equals negative 2, which would be the vertical line right here, and x equals 2, which would be the vertical line right here. Now we want to find the area between these curves. So I think this is gray, we want this area right here and this area right here. Now we're actually going to have to break this up into two different pieces because for one integral you have to have the same function on top for that entire region. Okay, so notice that right here which one's on top, which one's above changes, right? First, the blue line is on top, but then after that point, the green line is on top. Now, we need to find where they intersect. So to do that, we're going to set 4 minus x squared equal to negative x plus 2. Now, if we get everything on the right-hand side, we'd have 0 equals x squared minus x minus 2, which factors as x minus 2 x plus 1. So we get x equals negative 1 and x equals 2. So this is happening at negative 1 and this intersects at 2. So we're going to have two different intervals here. We're going to have the interval from negative 2 to negative 1 where the blue line is on top. And then we're going to have the interval from negative 1 up to 2 where the green line is on top. Okay, so for that first interval, where the blue is on top, that's going to go from negative 2 to negative 1. We're going to take the blue line, which was the negative x plus 2, and subtract the green line, which was 4 minus x squared. Then we're going to add to that where the green line was on top. So that's going to be between negative 1 and 2. And here now we'll put the green one minus the blue one. So 4 minus x squared minus negative x plus 2 dx. Sorry, that got a little smushed. Okay, so this first integral we've got from negative 2 to negative 1. Let's just distribute the minus, so we have negative x plus 2 minus 4 plus x squared dx. And then plus our second one. We're going to have from negative 1 to 2, 4 minus x squared plus x minus 2 dx. Now, at this point, these are not hard integrals to evaluate. The setup is really the key here. And so you could say, okay, this is negative 2 to negative 1, x squared minus x minus 2 dx. Plus negative 1 to 2, we've got negative x squared plus x plus 2 dx. And I'll let you go ahead and evaluate those. Now, when you evaluate those, you get 11/6 for this first one, plus 9/2 for the second one, and combining those two fractions and reducing, you get 19/3. So the area, the gray shaded area that we found was 19/3.